Everyone loves pancake, and I know for a fact that everyone knows how to make it and cook it. It's easy, it's not rocket science. But what if I'll tell you that you can take your home-cooked pancake meals to the next level? And that is it. We made the flapjack pancakes. It's very quick and easy, where in the end you can cook with confidence. And if you follow this recipe, I guarantee you that you will have the soft and fluffiest pancake you will ever have, which is so irresistible. And we're not just making pancakes here, we also made the berry compote, whipped cream, and some additional components to add some extra textures and flavors to the dish. And it's up to you how you get creative with this. And with all that said, I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. If you're new to my channel, please do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe to keep you updated each and every time I upload a new content. And I'll see you all next time.